Hello class, welcome back in our online discussion, and especially I will have this pre-recorded video and I will provide comments with your assignment number 14. So probably this will be my last explainer video before we will have this pre-orals. Okay, so I'll just go directly to the common mistakes that you have encountered with your manuscript. Okay, so again, for the cover page, no need to put in before the word Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Again, I will just give a clear reminder to all of you. Does it mean that it is not your group or group number that I have made a comments? Doesn't mean that you are not going to watch my explanation, because sometimes my explanation with the other group have the same um, explanation with your group, and there are some that has a different comments. So you can observe and you can able to avoid the mistakes from the other group to your manuscript. You can apply my comments to other group to your manuscript. Again, because I did not give the full or 100% corrections with your manuscript. Because if I will apply the 100% comments with your manuscript, you will have these 0 points. And also, I want to give a clear reminder. If I give a certain comment with a specific page, please apply also this to other pages. It doesn't mean that I only make a comments with a page 25. It doesn't mean that you need to edit only in page 25. You need to review the other pages. Okay? Because again, if I will make a comments in every part that has a mistake, you will get a 0 points. So I will explain to you later with regards to the things that I have explained now. So let's move on. Again, I will give my comments from group 1 until group 14. So here again, this is a common mistakes, and I observed this not just in group 1 but to all the groups. We need to put a 3 spaces between the paragraph. So as I observe here, this line, tourists in marketing more informed decisions about their accommodations and literature background, word literature background. So I have a question for you. Is it a single space? Is it a double space? Or is it a 3 spaces? So based on this is not a single space and this is not a 3 spaces. So we can observe here that this is a double space, which is wrong. Again, the spaces between the paragraphs, it must be 3 single spaces. Okay, so there's a lacking 1 space here. And also on this part, I also observe some of the groups, the manuscript of the groups. You have 3 spaces between literature background, for example, this one, literature background, and the first line of the paragraph. The right format is double space only, okay, not a 3 spaces. 3 spaces only between the 2 paragraphs, okay. So again, between this line and this line, it must be 3 spaces. How many spaces? 3 spaces. But between the literature background or any subtitle like research respondents, research methodology, research instrument, etc., and the first line of the paragraph, it must be double space only, not a three single spaces. Okay, so in this part, this is right because you have this double space. But on this part, this is wrong because this is a double space. It must be three single spaces. Alright, so I hope that it is clear. And again, just a reminder, it doesn't mean that I have a comments only here. It doesn't mean that you will edit only in this part. So you need to review the other part of your manuscript. So how about this one? Is it the right format? The spaces between the paragraphs? Okay, so this is right. This are double spaces, which is right. And the spaces between two paragraphs, it must be three single spaces. And this is correct. Okay, this is correct. But on this part, this is wrong. Again, a reminder for you. It doesn't mean that I only have comments here. It doesn't mean that you only need to edit on this part. You need to review the other parts. Okay, so this is correct. This one, correct. So let's observe the other parts here. So you can also observe here, this is three spaces, so it must be double space only. So you can observe I did not give a comments here. Because if I will give a comments here, it is additional deduction of your points. So you will get a 0 points. So again, I give a comments from the previous page. It doesn't mean that you need to edit only on that particular page. You need to review the other pages as well. Okay. How about this one? So this is right format, double space. How about this one? Yes, this is right format. They have these three pages. How about this one? Okay, this is right format as well. And how about this one? So I highlighted this one because this is a wrong format. You need to provide three single spaces. Same with this one. Alright. So I'll not explain further with regards to this part because I already explained on this. You need to use single spaces for this table. So there are some comments that I already explained to you. So let's just go directly to the common mistakes that you encountered. Same with this one again. This is a right format because they have three single spaces between the paragraphs. But between the literature background and the first line of the paragraph, it is wrong because this is a three single spaces. So it must be double space only. Okay. So I'll not give the other comments because I already give this from our previous explainer video. So I think that's all for your assignment number 14. Again, I give the comments with the output of your leader. So again, you need to help your leader to cope up with my corrections. And please, if you encounter some difficulties, don't hesitate to ask help from your classmates from other groups. Another observation also with regards to your margin. Again, the right format, 1 inch at the top, 1 inch at the bottom, 1 inch at the right, and 1.5 on the left. So based on this manuscript, they have a wrong format with regards to the margin. Okay, as you can observe, the top, bottom, left, and right have the same length. It is 1 inch. Instead of having a 1.5 margin on the left side. Again, what's the purpose of having a 1.5 margin on the left side? The purpose for that, because we will hardbound your manuscript. So we need to put an enough space on the left side. I think that's the common mistakes that you encountered for your assignment number 14. So if you have any clarifications, comments, so don't hesitate to chat in the group chat. But if you have a personal concern, you may drop your message in my personal account. But as to issues concerning the subject, you can drop your message in our group chat. Okay, so after editing your manuscript, you need to submit in the Google Classroom. And also, you need to print the manuscript acknowledgement receipt. So we'll also upload these documents in the assignment number 15. So you need to edit this one. You need to write the title of your manuscript here. And you need to write also the group number. And the submission of your manuscript must be before May, or I will put here manuscript, receive the manuscript on or before May 3, 2024. So this is your deadline in the submission of your manuscript. So you need to edit also in this part the name of your advisor and your group number. So you need to delete this one, for example, group 7. So here we go, group 7. And then you need to edit also the name of the leader and the group number. So you need to go to this panel members and advisor to give the manuscript and allow them to put signature of your manuscript acknowledgement receipt. So this is a proof that the manuscript is already been given to the panel members. Again, the deadline is on May 3, 2024. So after having this signature of your manuscript acknowledgement receipt, you need to take picture on this one and upload in the Google Classroom. And also, I will upload these documents, this one. So you need to print this and then you need to attach in the manuscript. So for example, if you're giving me a copy of the manuscript, you need to write here the title of your study, the group number, the course and section, the advisor, and then you need to put the panel. Okay, so you need to put the panel here, the name of the panel, for example, Jason B. Cano here. As to the copy of the advisor, so no need to insert the criteria for pre-oral defense. This is only for the panel members. Again, who are the panel members? Yours truly, Ma'am Emil Lumaputol, and Ma'am Arlinda Ramasola. So for this one, this is one page but have these two copies. So you need to cut here, and this part or this copy, you need to attach this one to the manuscript. And if you write the name of the panel, so this is a guide for you or a sign that the panel member will receive this copy of the manuscript. So you need to print all the pages of the manuscript and put in a plastic sliding folder. And how about the color? Any color. Okay, so I think that's all for this explainer video. And I hope and I pray that every one of you will be prepared for our upcoming pre-orals. Again, if you have any clarification and questions, don't hesitate to drop in our group chat. Thank you.